Alright guys, today we're working on a 2008, I believe he told me, the customer, 2008 Suzuki GSX650F. We're going to be replacing both tires on this, so in the video I will be showing you how to take the front wheel and the back wheel off today. So let's get to it. Now on this bike, it's taking a 1 1/16 socket. Take the axle nut off. Out. You want to support the bottom of the wheel before you go pulling the axle out. I got something underneath there now. Slide the axle out. Roll the wheel forward a little bit. Make sure the bike's not in gear. And I just kind of gently place the chain off to the side like that. And then when I put the wheel back on, I just whoop. I'll show you what I do with the caliper. Now the caliper, you want to kind of slide the wheel back a little bit. There you go. Kind of twist the wheel a little bit. Twist the caliper. And kind of roll the wheel out. And kind of just gently set the caliper off to the side. Take your wheel spacer off. And your drive hub. And you're good to go. Alright, now we're going to take the front wheel off. So, there's only one pinch bolt on this side. Loosen it up. Okay. Then loosen our caliper bolts up. Then this particular bike, but a lot of them, they make a special front axle tool, because this is like a hex, like a big Allen head. And what size is this one? A 19mm Allen. Take that, crack that loose. What it is, the other side of the axles actually threaded into the other fork. There it goes. Alright. There's taking the caliper off. I guess take it, kind of roll it, twist it, open up them pads, kind of roll it and twist it out. So let's sit there. Let's do the other side. Alright. Twist it open and twist it out. I use my foot, I put it underneath the wheel to help support it. Now this wheel's only got one spacer on this side because the axle is actually part of the spacer on the other side. So I'll change these tires and then show you how to put them back on. Alrighty then. To Today we are putting on the Michelin Pilot Power 2CTs. That's what the customer ordered. Not a bad tire, especially if you're a beginner rider or you're not a very aggressive rider. They're a really good tire. So, put my spacer in on the one side here. Like I said, this one's only got one spacer because this side of the axle acts as the other spacer. Lift your wheel up, stab your axle through. Got it. Might need a little tap tap. It's light taps because it's, it's going in the threads on the other side. You don't want to damage that. So I think that's it right there. Don't have to torque the hell out of that thing. Pinch bolt. Doesn't have to be super tight. Brake pads are a little past halfway on this side. Slip her on again, kind of roll it in. Just do the same thing to the other side, the other caliper on the other side, and you're good to go for the front. Oh, and make sure you, spin your wheel, make sure everything's free. Your brake pads will rub slightly, but then spin your wheel and then pump your brakes up. All right? To the rear. Now it's time to put the rear wheel on. Take our wheel spacer on this side, put it in. Put our, it fell out. Our sprocket hub on the inside here has got a spacer. You can tell one end it slides inside the bearing. You gotta make sure that's in there. You're gonna have issues. Stick your hub into the rubber isolators. Give a couple taps like that. Now, take your caliper. Check your brake pads, about a little halfway worn. Slide the pads over. Line up the slide. Good there. Now, make sure your spacer doesn't fall out. There you go. Get your spacer. Everything lined up. Back on the other side here. Put the chain on your sprocket. There we go. Take your axle. Wheel now. Light taps, not to wear the hell out of it. And also this deal, it needs to be facing downwards. It's part of your hand adjustment. Go put the nut on. Take your spacer here / little adjustment gauge thing. Slide it on. Remember on the bottom here. So on the top it has a notch, and then there's some notches in the frame. You line them up to make sure your wheel's straight with the bike, and also slacken your chain. Wheel forward, make sure everything forward. Chain feels good. Now some bikes like this one you might have to put a wrench on the other end, but got lucky this time. Don't have to. There we go. There we go. Check several spots in the chain. Good. And check check, make sure your wheels align. Do that. Check your wheels align, and then pump your brakes up, and you should be good to go. Go for a test ride. Alright guys, there you go, 2008 GSX650F. How to remove and install both the front and rear wheels. So wasn't too hard on this one. So if you have any questions, comment down below. Give me a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. Alright, more to come. Alright guys, bye.